Oh, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. I want to say thanks to you guys for the ones who have subscribed and come back. I appreciate every one of you for checking out these videos. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Today we are back with the GTR, which we haven't done many videos on lately because I just wanted to enjoy the car the first year. So we've had the car for 9 months now. I love it, which I wasn't sure I was going to like it as much as I do, but I really do. And today that we've had it, well, like I said, we've had it for about 9 months now. So we're gonna make our first modification. Not that we don't like the car, but I personally just like a more aggressive look. And that is what the first modification is going to be. It's not that the GTR is a bad looking car, because it's not. I mean, look at it. For the price you pay, for the performance and everything you get, you can't beat it. But like I said, it needs to be just a little bit more aggressive. And we are going to start with the spoiler. The spoiler is gonna be the first thing to go. We did buy a 74-inch carbon fiber wing APR GTC-500. We purchased it from MA Performance. The whole thing on the website was really easy to use. Got the thing way before they said I was gonna get it. So shout out to them for quick delivery on the items. They said it was gonna take 2 to 3 weeks for them to ship it out. I guess they don't really keep many on hand. They make them as they get orders. But this actually shipped out the first day. And when I got it, it was actually 2 days before the estimated arrival time. So like I said, shout out to them for getting stuff out very quickly. I would definitely check them out. I think it's maperformance.com. They have stuff for all kinds of different cars. But, so today, like I said, is going to be replacing the spoiler. It's just time. You know, 10 months was enough. One season going to the shows and everything, and it, you know, had a great time with the car. But like I said, they're good looking cars, but they don't break necks. So we're gonna modify this to make it break necks, get a little bit more attention, and to make myself a little happier. So that is what we're gonna do. And I'm gonna do this the easy way. I've been seeing YouTubers do this, and I'm tired of doing how-to videos. So today we are just going to do one of, all right, and that was much easier than have to do this on film and show you guys all the painstaking labor it took to get that thing off. And then, trust me, look at the blisters from all that 3M tape. Man, that stuff was the hardest shit to get off that I've ever, man. It was a pain, but we got it. So now we are to the point to where I have come to the nervous part, where now we have to drill some holes. And I'm not gonna lie, it's definitely gonna make me a little nervous. We have to put holes on each side. There's a template, the base plate you put on here, and you line up the holes, and you gotta drill another hole on each side. And then, like I said, with this, they gave a decorative bolt to go in here. This is where the metal support was, and with the new one, there is not a metal support. So they gave you a decorative bolt to put in there. Problem is, that hole does not go all the way through. So we gotta drill holes. I'm not very excited about it because once we do it, there's no going back. It's there forever. So let's hope all goes well. All right, boys, here goes nothing. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, all the decisions in my life that led to this, me drilling a hole in a perfectly good trunk. Well, so that's what it looks like, final product. Of course, what can go wrong will go wrong. As you can see, the drill bit broke. So that's unfortunate, and that's deep. So I don't know what the hell to do about that. maybe that'll answer the question. Maybe we will be wrapping the car. So just remember, do modifications. Shit happens. And there it is, boys. All finished. It's done. Minimum casualties. There was the one, like I showed you, where the drill bit freaking broke, but it's on, it's attached. It's it looks really damn good. I really do like it. Hopefully in the future there's gonna be more. I need new exhaust tips. I need to replace these. If you can see, these are all like, I don't know, paint's all wore out on, it looks nasty. Gonna replace those. Need new exhaust. One of the things that's really been driving me nuts on this car is the hood. I need to replace the paint protective film, but I think instead of replacing the paint protective film, I think I'm just gonna buy a carbon fiber hood and be done with it. So I think that's all I got for this one, boys. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for checking these videos out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you like it, you hate it. And until next time, see ya.